Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Here we are in beautiful Bizabuja. We have a nice huge sand beach directly behind where Colin is right now. People have been wondering what it handles on things like sand and grass, and in this area here we have bundles of sand and bundles of grass, so we thought we would do the recording here today. We are still on the original 2S battery. As a little bit of honesty to you guys, as you know, I always try to keep you updated on what's happened. We drove this car through some water. It was a little bit, all right, it was lots of water. The car nearly submerged completely. Stopped working, but the steering still was going, so we assumed that the ESC had blown. Got it home, used the air gun to get most of the water out, sprayed it with WD-40, and it's working fine again. Thank the Lords. So we are here, we're going to see basically how much sand we can stick to the WD-40, and I should imagine it's going to be quite a lot. So this is the WL Toys 184016, and you're watching John Robinson RC. It seems much faster. Why is that? Okay, ladies and gents, I have to say, this car is continuing to impress me. I did not expect it to be this stable. What does it look like on camera? It must look good. Should we try and get close to the water and try not to put it in the water? Okay, the sea unfortunately caught the car, if you just saw, and now it's just shut down again like the last time, so I'm hoping that the air gun will work this time. Okay, I think as the sun is quite warm today, I'm going to leave it to dry out a little bit longer, and then we'll test it, see if it works or not. Just one last spray with the air gun just to see whether it will work. This is the battery that went in the water, so I think I'm not going to use this one again, but I do have a fresh battery. I hope it works. We shall soon see. I have already plugged the servo and the ESC in, and we will see if it works. Power on, power on. We at least have steering, and we have power again. Excellent. So now at least we can test it on the grass. So, ladies and gents, if Colin just pans up a little bit, you can see the height of this grass that we have here. I hope it will be able to get through it, but it is quite a small car, isn't it? So let's turn it on and let's see what it can do. Well, it is a small car with very, very low ride height. Let's see what it's like when we get a bit of a run up. So, short grass, yes, no problems. I'll show you that over there in a second. Long grass, no. Did I expect it to go over long grass? No, most definitely not. Is that the battery dead? It's going to be one of those days, Colin. So, ladies and gents, what do you think of the footage? Didn't run it too much there. It looked like the battery was dead. I thought that it was completely charged up, but obviously it was not. On sand, you saw the footage. It's just so fast. I can't believe that this car is so capable. I never expected it to go over the long grass. It's not designed for that. It's a tiny little thing, isn't it? Look at that ride height. And it's really unfair to even expect it to. I just wanted to see, I had a feeling that maybe with these grippy tires, it could pull itself across, but as the wheels are being lifted up, as it's going over the bigger grass, it's got nothing to grab onto. So I'm not worried about that. Everything else that we've thrown at it so far, it's been perfect, and nothing broken. I was concerned about these plastic shock towers. Nothing broken. Nothing's broken on it whatsoever, and that's including with my other video where we were going over those big rocks, and it did not break. So once again, ladies and gents, can I recommend the WL Toys 184016 for purchase? Yes, 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 yes. Link in the description below. There's a $15 US money off code there as well, so please use that. Run, buy, and you can thank me later when you've got one of the best little RC cars that you didn't even know that you wanted. Remember, in the winter, electrical tape over the tires, you can power slide in your house during the whole winter. Love that. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, take care of yourselves, bye-bye.